Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. As you can see, we've been immediately transferred to this graph, which shows us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can see that I've spent most of the time on the settings, most of the 33 minutes. Then the phone, camera, themes, Chrome, messages, and the others. Here we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And if you want to check the details, because of course you can, you've got two different ways to do that. So you can tap directly inside the graph, and you will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you the information of how much time you've spent on the screen in particular days. So of course you can check it, and that's quite cool. Under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way of checking the details is to tap directly on the app. So, for example, the settings. Just tap on the settings, and as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one particular app. Again, change the screen time to the notifications or the times opened, or from daily to hourly. It's up to you which option you prefer. So basically, this is it. This is how to check the total screen time. And just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because I really think that in today's world, it is so important to be able to leave the phone for a while during the day. And here we've got some kind of like focus mode or bedtime mode. So if you really need the time for yourself, you want to rest, you want to work, you just want to spend the time with your family without any disturbance, then you can set some of those modes in order to let your device, for example, limit the notifications from the distracting apps. So thanks to this, you will just not receive the notifications, and you will just be focused on the things you're currently doing. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.